Hi, my name is Dr. Sophia Deben. I am an orthopedic surgeon and I treat athletes and regular people and injured workers. But I am also a 50-year-old woman and aging athlete myself, and I am assessing how am I going to age into the next 20, 30, 40 years and have a lifespan that is both productive and also satisfying to me. One of the things that we are learning more about healthy aging is maintenance of muscle mass. As the years go on average, most people gain 1 pound per year, but we don't necessarily have a culture of weightlifting or exercise, and so our muscle mass is sort of not changing, but our weight is going up. Thankfully, maintaining muscle mass has been studied, and patients who are able to get up and stand and walk 20 feet in a certain period of time, or stand on one leg for 30 seconds, or do 5 push-ups, or carry 2/3 of their body weight, have been independently studied as markers for living longer and living better. And so I wanted to share with you a few quick tips and tricks that I use when life gets a little hectic, but I still want to do something for myself. Number one, exercise can be really challenging during our day. And I want to remind you that stopping and doing 10 air squats, or dropping down and doing 10 push-ups, or perhaps taking those whole tray of water bottles and using them and walking them back and forth from your house 2 or 3 times before you actually put them away, or taking the stairs, or parking on the far end of the parking lot, are all simple ways to increase the level of activity. Oftentimes myself, if I don't feel like I have a full hour to go to the gym, I won't go to the gym at all, and I'll feel like, oh, it's not going to be worth it. But in those instances, I realize that I've lost completely on any exercise. And so I've snuck a little yoga mat into my bedroom, and I will try and do 10 minutes of sit-ups, push-ups, and air squats. Or I'll do a 15-minute walk outside, even if it's in my work clothes, but it's something. Number 2, having a protein-forward diet is going to be very important. So whenever you get the chance to snack, and this is another thing that's helpful, is hiding protein snacks in your fridge and in your pantry. Hard-boiled eggs, frozen yogurt. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll take the Siggy's yogurt, which is 19 grams of protein, I think, for 3/4 of a cup, and 1 scoop of regular vanilla flavored protein or chocolate. That'll make a vanilla yogurt, or it'll make a chocolate yogurt. I will stick that in an ice cube tray, and I will put it in the freezer, and that's going to be my sort of sweet treat dessert. But if you look at it, a cup of that is going to be 40 grams of protein. Trying to eat 1 or 2 extra eggs. Sometimes I'll just get egg whites, and when I make my regular 2 or 3 eggs, I'll add some extra egg whites, and I'll know that I'm getting an extra 6 grams of protein for every tablespoon. And so all of those little tips and tricks that you can look at in your home, adding sometimes seeds, assuming that you don't have problems with weight or with your cholesterol, seeds can be a reasonable source of adding protein. Getting double protein, so if you're going to make a chicken breast and a salad or a piece of fish, make 2 chicken breasts or 2 pieces of fish. Maybe you break it up and you have the fish left over or the chicken breast as a snack in a baggie. So that's number 2. And then my third, but probably should be the first one, is creatine. Creatine has been around for a really long time. It is a very powerful substance. We take about 5 grams. Can be dissolved very easily in coffee, and I hate anything in my coffee that isn't cream and sugar. But creatine is fantastic for mixing into your food. It's tasteless, and it really tells your body to make more muscle. Many people now are on different kinds of weight loss regimens, some of them to include Ozempic, Mounjaro, semaglutide, tirzepatide. Those medications are very effective. However, we lose 50% of our muscle mass when we're on them instead of fat, and so we really have to balance that out in terms of maintaining our muscle mass. And so a protein-forward diet, creatine supplementation, and sneaking in 10 dirty little push-ups if you can are all going to be 3 really great ways to try and maintain your muscle mass as you age, and ultimately your independence. Thank you very much.